Hi kids, good morning again. We are doing our mathematics lesson today. And this week we're looking at number one. Now if you put your finger up like this, it looks just like a number one. It starts from the ceiling and it goes to the ground. From the ceiling to the ground, from the ceiling to the ground, from the ceiling to the ground, that's the figure one. Good? You can clap one time. One clap. And you can also spell the word one. O-N-E. One. Today we are going to practice writing those three ways of writing or showing one. Good? Now let's start by writing the day. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay? So let's write Thursday in our books. We go up to the margin and we do one stroke across. Do you have that? Now we go to the middle and we do one stroke down. Take your time, do it slowly. Touch the blue line and stop. Don't go under there because we don't want our letters to hang. These letters don't have legs that hang down. Okay? Now let's make the another tall letter. So we go back to the top and we go down. Take your time, straight down and stop. Now let's go to the bottom. Now we're going back up but only halfway up. So let's go up. Get ready to bend the corner, bend that corner, bend the corner. Come down, and stop. Bump it. So as soon as you see that blue line, I want you to stop. Okay? So we have two letters already. We have the capital letter and we have, now let's do the So we go here about halfway up and we go down. Get ready to curve it on that blue line and up. Good job. Now let's finish it. We go back to the top. Take our time and we go down. Get ready to bump it. Bump it. Excellent job. Let's do the R. Half stroke down, touch the blue line and stop. Good. From the bottom, we go up and get ready to bend the corner. Bend the corner, stop. Very good. I like how you stop right there. Yes, let's do this now. Halfway around, bend the corner and out. Very good. Now let's do the D. Halfway around like the curly. Let them sit on the line. Excellent work. We're almost done. Now he goes up like a helicopter, up like a helicopter. So let's go up like a helicopter, come back down and bump it. Good job. Let's do the So you halfway around like the curly. Ready? Let's go up, come back down, bump it. Now let's do the last letter. Ready for the last letter? Okay, let's go down. Keep going down. Start curving it. Curve it. Go back up and stop. Very good. You're a good listener. Now we go to the top and we come down to make his leg. We're doing it slowly. Come down slowly. Keep coming past that blue line. Remember, he has a leg, so we go past the blue line. Let's start making his tail now. Curl it. Great job. So we have Thursday. Now we are going to write the word maths. In the next line, under the here, we do one stroke down. Very good. Now we go from the top, we go slanting down. Nice work. Good, you're doing great so far. Let's go up again, back up, keep going, stop. Good, let's make the last stroke now. Go back to the top and keep going down. Don't stop until you see that blue line. Stop. Good. Let's do the ah. So we make a halfway around. Let me see that. Halfway around. You have that? Good job. So you have the halfway around. Let's finish making the ah. So from the bottom, we go up, come back down, bump it. Now let's do the let's go. We go down. Let's go down, down, keep going down, curve it, bump it. Good. Now let's do the one stroke across. For the let's do the go to the blue line on top and we make one straight stroke down. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. See, we touched that blue line, so we have to stop. Okay. Let's go. Let's finish making it. So we go to the bottom, go up, start bending that corner, bend the corner, come down, and bump it. Wonderful. Great job. You're doing good. Let's do this now. So we go halfway around, bend the corner, and out. Excellent job. So we have Thursday, we have maths. Now let's write the three ways in which we can write the number 1. The first way is the number. Now when I say number, I mean how much something is. For example, if I tell you to draw the number 1, I want you to draw one object. Okay, that's the number. So let's draw the number 1. You just draw one circle. So do a whole way around for me. Whole way around. Alright, you can color it in. Good. That's the number 1. That's how much 1 is. Good? Right. Now, if I ask you to write the numeral 1, it means I want you to draw the figure. Like, remember our finger looks like a numeral 1 from the ceiling to the ground. That's what I want you to write if I ask you to write the numeral from the ceiling to the ground. So here's the numeral. Leave a space and we write from the ceiling to the ground. That's the numeral, okay? So pay close attention because I'm going to give you a little test after. See if you remember what I just told you, okay? So this is the number, how much it is. This is the numeral, and this one is the easiest, the word. If I ask you to write the word 1, I want you to spell the letters or to write the letters that make the word 1. For example, the word 1 is spelled O-N-E. Good, so let's write the word 1. We leave a space again and we write O all the way around, Good. Write your O whole way around. And the next letter in one is N. So you write one stroke down, touch the blue line, then we come back up, around, down, bump it. So we have O, we have N. What's missing on the end? Yes, an E. So we do one stroke across for the E. Very nicely done. Then we go to the right side and we make halfway around. That's the E. So this is how we spell the word one. O N E. One. This is the numeral one from the ceiling to the ground. And this is the number one. Just one thing or one time. So if I ask you to clap showing me the number one, I expect you to do this. One clap. Okay? That's how many times one is. Now let's do it again to make sure that everybody knows or everybody remembers before I give you that test. I hope you're listening. Okay, let's go. Let's write the word one. So let's go. O, all the way around. Good. N, one stroke down, up, around, down, bump it. And the E, one stroke across, and then we do halfway around. That's the word one. So if I want to write the word one, you write O-N-E for me. Okay? Let's go. Now, draw the number one. I want you to draw the number one for one, let's say one leaf. So draw one leaf for me to show the number one. I see I gave you a little hint there. So let's draw a leaf. We do an oval shape. Take your time, just like a long circle. Come in, go in. That's a leaf. That's a number of leaves. We have one. That's the number of leaves we have. One. Now, I want you to write the numeral one. Remember what the numeral one is? Yes, it's from the ceiling to the ground. That's the numeral one. So let's write the numeral one from the ceiling to the ground. Very good. So let's go over it again. This is the word one. O N E. This is the number one for one thing. And this is the numeral one from the ceiling to the ground. Now get ready for your little test. Now don't worry, it's not hard. And I know that you're smart. Good? Good. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Now on this line here, I want you to draw the number one. It can be one of anything. Draw the number one here on this line. Go ahead, I'll give you some time. Good. Did you draw the number one? Yes. Now on the next line, I want you to write the numeral one. Write the numeral one. I'll give you a little bit of time. Okay, did you write the numeral one? Good. Now the last thing I want you to do here on this line is to write the word one. Write the word one. I'm giving you a little more time to write that word one. Okay, so on the first line, you should have written the number one. You draw one thing. Good. Check over your work. And the second line, I ask you to write the numeral one for me. And on the last line, you are asked to write the word one. Very good. Well done.